Friends, in today's modern times, many types of services are being used to grow the MLM business, one of which is Zoom Meeting. In today's time, Zoom Meeting is used to grow the MLM business and empower the leader. It is the best tool to strengthen. But friends, it often happens in Zoom Meeting that when a new person joins your Zoom meeting, seeing the less number of members present in the meeting, he feels that whether the company will continue or not, he does not trust your business, and are not even ready to connect with you. Therefore, to deal with such situations, the digital world has brought a special service for you called Zoom Meeting Participant Service. Through this service, we provide minimum 100 participants to 200, 300, 500, 1,000, or even more participants for your Zoom meeting, with the help of which you can control the number of members in your Zoom meeting. You can increase and strengthen the leader, due to which the trust of the people coming to the meeting will increase in your business, and more number of people will join you. And the more number of people join your business, the more growth you will have. Business will increase. So friends, don't waste your time in thinking too much and quickly pick up the phone and call or WhatsApp our official number shown on the screen and book participants for your Zoom meeting. We provide this service to you at a very reasonable price.